Hello, Ian Foster from CenterCam here, and we just finished our first round of fulfillment. And those of you that received the deluxe case might have noticed that it's a real tight fit, all the components. So I wanted to show you how that fits. It does fit. It is a tight fit. I've traveled a lot and I don't like extra space in my bag with cases and things like that. So let me show you how this works. So you unpack it, boom, boom, light ring, normal clip, and CenterCam assembly. I wanted to show you how to wind it up. It's not rocket science. The main thing with the CenterCam assembly 1.0 is that we don't want to tweak this camera head much. We don't want to use the camera head to make our adjustments. We want to make our adjustments on our screen up here. Same thing when we're winding it up. What I do is I kind of space my fingers out a little bit. You don't have to get this exact, it'll still fit. And we just wind it up like that. And then we can put it this way or this way, but camera head has to go towards the outside of the case. So we just choose a side. Now, if we've chosen that side, light ring goes on the same side, but fat part in the middle of the case. If it goes right here, it won't fit. Fat part in the middle of the case, clip, fold that over, boom. CenterCam Deluxe package.